So today's gonna be a little crazy. I'm riding into work with my mom. I'm gonna drop her off. Then I'm gonna go to the post office, maybe grab a juice, go to a yoga class, do work, pick my mom up for noon. Then we're driving the 2.5-ish hours to Syracuse, New York. We're going to be picking up our parking pass and tickets for the New York State Fair. We're gonna be there from 5 to 8. Probably helping hand out food with the Strong Hearts Cafe, and I'll also be selling books and canteens.
Stop by.
Well, they'll be watching this tomorrow. So. Then it'll be another, 3-ish hours drive back from Syracuse to where my parents live. So we'll probably be getting in like after midnight-ish.
We'll travel for vegan food.
So good. I had the owner who made this, I had her add mint to the one I had the other day. It's so delicious. I also need to start bringing in one of my canteens and having them use the canteen. I used to do that when I lived in New York City a couple of summers ago. I love this one juice place. I'd go to it every morning, and I would bring one of my canteens and have them put the juice in that so I wouldn't keep using these plastic cups. So I need to start remembering to do that. Right now I have my canteen, but it's full of water. Juice acquired, onto yoga. I won't have time to go to the post office first, so I'll have to do that afterward. Yoga complete. Now to find a place to do a couple hours of work before picking mom up, and then we're gonna head to Syracuse and hopefully get food before then because I'm hungry. Got about an hour to do some work before heading back to Troy. I'm in Albany now, then heading back to Troy to pick up my mom. Still haven't gone to the post office yet. Hopefully we'll have time to squeeze that in before heading to Syracuse and getting lunch. So great news, the Wi-Fi at that cafe was not working today. Changed, time for lunch, then headed to Syracuse. Yay! Gonna stop at the original Strong Hearts location to pick up parking pass for the fairgrounds and a couple of tickets to get into the fair. And I'm probably going to also get a milkshake, even though I know it'll be available later. I feel like I'm here, I gotta get one. This is what it's like being my height in this crowd. Alright guys, we're heading back home. Thanks so much for watching, and please remember to eat well and travel often.